Yo, what's up guys? And in this video we are going to be going to the biolab. So sit back, relax, grab a snack because this is going to be a long video.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Fine, I'm joining.
Oh, sick he is. He's a little baby racing.
No.
Yo, whoever wants to be in it,
Yes. Yes.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Yes.
Pardon, Mom?
We probably should have grabbed. We probably should have like grabbed a flashlight.
Okay, Mom, I can't hear you. No, I turned my volume down, so now I can hear you.
Oh my god! Nobody recorded it for being
Maybe 30 more minutes? 30 more minutes!
Yo, guys, I got a gun and some snacks, so we should be fine.
I've got a gun and a grappler. Yo! Yo guys, wait for me! Guys! Wait for me! Guys?
Devon, are you here in this code?
Yeah, hey, come on.
There you are.
Let's go, guys. Oh, landmines. Y'all careful, there's landmines there now.
Yeah.
Idiot creatures, you are so dumb. Oh my god. They like appear out of nowhere.
Whoever just
Watch out.
Oh my god. Jeez.
No! Yo guys, I died. I died.
Yo, Rain, come back. How's it going? You guys coming?
Almost there.
Alright, waiting.
Let's get up there. Yeah. Hey. Bro, it just despawns. Life goes on and 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 on. On and 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 on.
Where's that guy?
Coming. Almost there.
Alright, I'm at spawn, bro.
Deer and Green, are you guys coming?
Yes, I'm coming.
Wait, come back, dude. Hold up, come back.
Do not come back. I'm almost there. Where are you? I'm here. Hello?
Oh, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, hear you. Good.
Yo, grab one of these worm guys and eat them. They give you night vision for a good bit.
Why is his body still here?
Alright, it's a backpack. Yo, eat
Okay,
one of the
I'm here.
worms. Eat one of the worms. Eat one of the worms.
Why?
Because they give you night vision.
Oh, thank you.
They kind of make your head big, but you know that doesn't matter.
Okay, where do we go?
Oh lord, not there. So. Don't mind me.
You guys you're glitching.
So
out.
so we gotta go like this way maybe.
Wait, where are you? It's disappearing.
All right,
Hello?
so I'm not here. We have to go like.
Stay behind me.
Oh, it's right here. It's right here. All right.
Watch out! Don't die there. Wait for me.
So here we need to get a password. I remember that the first digit is 3 and the last one is 1. I'm gonna Google it real quick actually.
Okay.
And you just sit around and kill the chicken or something.
I mean, the chickens don't do anything.
Yeah, but so it's food.
Oh, is it? Yeah, are they one shot?
No. All right. How to get keep quiet. Keep quiet. What is the password to the vault in Animal Company?
You.
3854. Try 3854.
Yo, where's Blue? Does anyone
No.
own heart guns? Because I
Wrong.
need like a. Guys, where's Panda? Where's Panda?
Alright, I think first we
Does
need
anyone here own
type in the
heart
code.
guns?
Type in the code first. Type in the 3845, I think.
3, 8.
I need a heart.
No wait.
Oh,
3,
okay, so
4.
I think first we need to do. I think first we need to do this puzzle.
Yeah, what's the puzzle?
This one. Well, let me do.
Oh, I
let me
see.
cook- let me cook
I
the-
see. All right.
Yeah. You see. Hold up.
It's not doing anything for me.
Oh, what the hell? That was a creepy sound.
Where's everybody at?
Okay, now it's.
Oh, wait, hold on.
I'm in this
Did it open? Hold on.
code. It's just a random code I found.
Where'd my? Oh, that's right. I'm pretty sure it opened.
It's open.
I think I typed in the right password, but we just need to do a little puzzle thingy.
Yeah. What did we do?
These are the batteries from the office building, which is a cool reference, I guess. Nobody even remembers the office at this point. I'm sure new players will probably
everybody have
never
faith?
experience office. Whee! Like I remember, like when I joined, like it just updated to Office, and I always played Office, dude. It was so good back then.
Nice.
Alright,
Cause someone was red wall.
stupid butt.
Open. Okay, it's open.
I get in.
We've made it so far.
Alright, actually, can you?
No,
wait
you
a little? I need
you
to,
left
like-
without me.
What?
Just wait there for me. Where are you? Hello? Hello? Where are you?
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright, come on.
Bro, where the fuck
Oh, Mignor. Oh, Mignor.
Life goes on and on.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Got him.
Is there like a heart gun do you have?
What happened?
Where'd he
A
go?
heart gun?
Oh, scary boy.
Yo!
Bless
This
his
guy
ass
is
out
not
of it.
friendly! Where are... This guy is
Oh,
not
that's a revolver
friendly!
ammo. We don't
Where
use
is
revolvers.
everyone?
I got a
So
revolver.
I'm pretty sure, like, follow me. I'm pretty sure if we go, like, go to this door.
Let's have a fun time.
Oh, yep.
Is this the biolab? Oh.
No, this is not. It's just a random room. Okay, forget it. There's nothing to it. There is a lot of random stuff in here.
Here we are. Hello?
Fun and heart.
There. Right here. I went through the door. It goes
Come
to the
on, door is
biolab.
closing. Alright, come on. Ah, here it is. We're cool. I'm a cool dude. I have a gold crowbar. Look at this. Bonk, 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 bonk. Yeah, there you go. We're tough. We broke the window. Whee. Come on. So here's like the part where we create it, but like, we need to get something, so we gotta go here. I'm pretty sure. From what I know.
You know, this is really my first time
My bad,
exploring the
I shot the
biolab.
wrong person.
Loki, this hallway kind of reminds me of like Five Nights at Freddy's. Alright, I'm pretty sure it's this door we have to go through. Right?
Is there like loot over there?
Oh, scary boy.
I guess we're having war, I don't know. Everybody, it's a giant fight at stage 5, because
Got him.
I...
Oh, another one. Fuck.
They have terrible aim.
I one-shotted that guy. What are you talking about?
What's this?
Iron, what the? Oh, it's Oregon. Yeah, what does it say? It says iron.
It's dealing
iron,
damage. What?
Iron Earl something. I don't freaking know what this says.
That gun deals damage.
Oh. Oh.
We don't need
I don't
this.
need that. Yo. Oh, the vials. Yo, it's
What?
grab one. Wait.
What is it?
What?
Yo, you're tweaking out.
Mike, why did we just get cash?
I don't know, but we
Can't
didn't get
grab it.
lots. Yo, can you still hear me?
Where's everybody?
Just an empty cage.
Angry Panda, where you at?
So, these are fake. And,
Damn it.
like, we can't open these. DNA sample, authorized access only. Handle with care, door sensitive to impact.
Yes.
What? Oh,
What the?
QTE scan.
Yes.
We have to time it or something?
Yes.
Yo, can you hit this one open for me too?
Yes.
Yeah, I thought you grabbed the crowbar.
Yes.
Okay.
I didn't grab it.
No.
Fuck. Fuck.
Yes.
Yes. Heck yeah. Oh, I got.
Can you open this one for me, please?
Yeah, I got you. You should know.
Yes.
Oh, door.
It's
You
in,
door.
it's in,
Alright, yeah.
what?
What the heck? What is this?
Oh, symbol match.
Symbol.
Yes.
I'll go reload my gun.
Oh, I'm timed. It's easy though. Do I drink this?
No, we gotta bring. You remember that one spot?
The
That-
what? You're.
Like where we jumped out the window. We gotta go back there. Come on.
Oh, okay.
I'm like here. And then I'm pretty sure we gotta like where we we gotta insert vial here, okay? Oh, no, wait. Look.
Oh, okay. Do I insert mine too?
So, like,
You pull it first.
Everybody join the code BB6. Everybody join the code BB6. Why?
Okay.
Why?
then you gotta pull
What do I get? Oh! What is this?
a worm. It's a
I can't.
that's look he's wobbly. Hey, I think I know. So every room
Huh? I can't hear what you're saying.
Anybody want a 1v1?
so we got
I can't hear what you're saying. You're lagging out. Let's just go back.
but you're lagging out.
Let's just go back. I don't have a backpack, so I don't want to lose him. You shall die. Yo, wait for me.
Purple, come here.
Wait. Oh, okay. We can just teleport home.